enye en shana nka say drop case o.
Oh, na kusi person ka about akuako general manager
ebusianfo afa o afa kase afa kase afa case I or court say between Ghana versus and I say the Republic versus Wontumi and I say Akonta mining and is it 3 others or 4 others. Now sa case him say nipa aban per se omunchi no etum entina yes asem nyina edis asem nyina Wontumi enti aban no omun nim se na ombeye no na case no say no enya start officially I mean court per se but omuye pre-trial filing of argument any sense like just agree say I started a court no na near court ni say every time a court is sitting down apparently allegedly the revelations that are coming up actually say Chairman Wontumi obedi kunim case no and to be one first speed Attorney General no edi static case no I said now more solid case on be kai Minister of Lands and Natural Resources ebe press conference be was soon on screen so say okon the kind of thing settings nyame but say to the extent say Attorney General Rebecca said debut general manager no of Akonta money no ebe ya omune no ebe coming together for him to become a star witness against Wontumi. Say the case of the state and the republic, and strong and solid enough. Now, utie lawyer kukudam for they are monitoring this issue. They are all agreeing on one fact. And as how one fact and they say, Wontumi is in a comfortable lead. Now, as comfortable lead way there, and yes, a friend say, Kokwayi do comfortable lead or Mudiko re 2016. We a comfortable lead, Papa. Just say, one thing Wontumi has been able to do is say, he has put together a formidable legal team. To the extent, say, the Republic, Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Ayine, and the Deputy, Justice Remsai, they are confused. Completely confused. Yeah. It shows clearly. Said they are confused. And this confusion is eventually going to lead to the case being judged in favor of Chairman Wontumi. Ebusianfo, this conversation, a serious conversation, echoes to a Pure FM. Let's go and listen to it and let me know what you think about it. Do you think, sir, Chairman Wontumi ever win case way at the end of the day, and I say, you think, sir, NDC government, led by John Mahama, is going to succeed in imprisoning Chairman Wontumi? Let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next one.
For Akonta mines.
Yes.
As I say, AG, I dropped any charges. Now, overuse as a witness. Won't be a lawyer, no? Abeka said, there's no way. Our almost scheme of affairs, no? Say, Sa Papa na Okazano. No, a general manager, oh, baby.
Then the Oka or Dika because
also a general manager, baby.
Because Papa no resigned 1 year. As an issue, I think in 2019 or 2020 something or resign 1 year before this issue, and then say I'm on focus. And Shana Gassi a drop case. You are my friend plea bargaining, and the plea bargaining option. It's because of case we so abani elusu case na and ojina so emma witness the government is going to gain more yeah bibi a friend balancing act say ye beti wotum na ya lose adekase ende wo mum ye jawo no bedi adense bi me na ya adekase bi and what you do is say ye ma plea bargain na wo o case na ye fi so na mum wo ba bedi no krase asam na wonnimu no wo ba beka ade atia obi so ye na say wo ba beka asam atia wonti menum ye make sure say on conceal information bia. And that one is very, very critical because you see, so try draw. Answer no more be bargaining. No, Mushan Amunim, I didn't assume no be 100%. And don't try draw Musi on my hold as a hostile witness. So, me tell you, say, oh no, yet you want to me, no want to be a bomb handcuff. And so, draw on, I'm for by free wound to me, you know, money. So, shall some now, I was here. Said, you don't move me to crack or tuma. Ye baby, a friend, a dear friend, say, pardon. If I'm going to be pardon on them for man. And then, I told you about option say, oh, you are plea bargain, who they nusa. But so much I have my witness against Wontumi. Name obedi no krano. On say opportunity man pa na abusi avakora adversary say yi. They do to my own people. That's what motivates him say. Onko my plea bargain no principal.
Say o was on was man.
The legend development and I can say lawyer Pia Kubika say.
Yeah.
Onye general manager no. Me hu say no be omonso case no. Oma ho den kese. Say me madwuma and I'm a general manager. And he said, oh, back court now they let the crab be better upon me, let the big crab better. Over to me, I can say, oh, Nipa also issue no signature in your and it reminds me of Shani the Agrobi legend. Obit me M1 and sa. No, besides, I'm in Sanamano. Abo Bisham and Abo Bisham. Okay, say, Abo Bisham, Abo Simano, a Jan womb. Abo Bisham as a Bisham and Panodia Chero. To whom say illegally, one of their strongest strength. Say, Okra no general manager. And going forward, Madam say very interesting and we pray and hoping say you be no na baby no krenda na akoto na the osemra ya didi na edi.
I want to we should know say it's an institution running for so long. I don't mean any disclaimer on your general manager. Easily like that. It is company I documented why business be brave. There are so many evidence about to say we manager and then minimum assume so no manager. After 5 years or 10 years, no because how can he show there are so many letters were issued in contracts, in directives, and there okay Papa na say say no manager agree because Papa na say what jai company no 1 year before me free abem. Intebia when manager for about 1 year agree to but say when you general manager penny day legend in fact okay say when you want to be a for over 24 years but later on to be the head of that Akwanta mine you know he has been with me for all this one.
But I like your case as so in so. Because say I said okay say you a dance be chere say we general manager you can't deny it. But any panel money their lawyers so general manager. And you should tell us no. We want say omujina be
ne salam e can they say. Currently lawyer be to say onye general manager.
Oh for them.
But the lawyer cannot say
onye general manager.
He has never been a general manager for the company.
Yeah.
Because there should be evidence
and the proceedings.
I just say once upon a time he was a general manager. Yes, okay.
And that's it on this issue.
Legend and the point that still stands say a human lawyer say when you're general manager. So only in a so man wants a cancer. To me, who say for you know be an your man appointment maybe. I don't know assume is based on that. He's a general manager. But court for better say they may find out general manager. But maybe this position I'm defining the man because like I say can say these are and your my paper documented me ko share my general manager when I go share no yes and sign obi ba say emfa no nko ye ko to fuel enti say lawyer na can say there na it means say you nyina so
Rev
Kwame
me mo ache
me just so your general manager na general manager
me general manager ne enura nano na metie no menyanti asabni ye asepapa ebia wo ye paye a sanchira de o de first school mu a ebia na mate ase mene chi ena akuza bofre bi ewo na se bofre mo bia ntibi ena mene chi akote bofre na ete bofre yase na mene nyina adi ba odiwie no ono okoe ba mismidi tibi na medi dia bofre kese pa e kwa am froye ɛna meteɛ ɛna yi na ɛdiɛ yabɛkyea na ko kyea ba sɛ o me deɛ betumi abɛdi adanse sɛ ɛyɛ kwame na foro bɔfrɛ no ɛna wɔte bɔfrɛ no na ewie na mede ne diɛ enti no me deɛ mofa me bɔne ɛnkyɛ me na ne kɛseɛ paa deɛ ɛyɛ kwame ɛna ɔno na yɛfa kwadu nyinaa ɛmbɔ no meanwhile bɔfrɛ no me ne ɔso ɛna diɛ enti are we saying sɛ because we did the bebree nti no sɛ sɛ kyee no ɔmfa ne ho nkwa no and I mean, analogy, whether it makes sense.
Perfect. It comes with wisdom.
Kwame, me das Maminchia, Naminchia TFO, Naminchia Christian Service for Naminchia acting vice chancellor.
Yeah.
Dr. Banahino, and to say what's here.
Yeah.
And yesterday with me, Dr. Banahini Ishak,
yeah.
Baby Muslim Monday. I'm supposed to say, call ya Saba. She's my general manager.
Yeah.
Thursdays.
Yes. Acting general manager. Yeah.
Kwame, asemna ye kan nyina ne say. Okay, last time he didn't come for attorney general. Ne post ho.
Yeah.
Efa sansem we ho. We raise critical issues about procedural fairness.
Yeah.
Kwame, the ama o question ya obi say ya ba be hia ne say attorney general apre ne ho di kan ebe bo nkofodin be kan crimes a wo ma ye.
Yeah.
Say Kwame, wo ma meka as attorney general na meka na say no ko intentions bi say e kwan say no be fa so a. Say Kwame, anko obi anim general manager or no general manager.
Yeah.
And this vindicates some of us the position we took say e kwan attorney general fa so a opre ne ho ebubo din kire watch obi born in the bo ene na ya wodam ene
na yire
bank account ne
bag
kuta no bag ne
station
ade nyina no
Balenciaga bag
oh Kwame ni nyina no was pointing to something me just say a lesson for the current attorney general and future attorney general say Kwame you see Pure FM hack it has shiny proyebi akoso a Ghana for was so hu ye wo ho kwan say ye hu intimidate say to enhance the conversation there was here ya ne say keta se ne proyebi akoso wo Pure FM na ye hwehwem a omo ho bom no ye de be court na ye famra kwan so agisika akodi wo nsa
own. And they were even shocked. They said, where did you get those experiences? I said, I was working before I came. I just told them, I was working in a private hospital before I came. But it was through the NAPCO. I was doing things I was able to manage a ward on my own. Do everything without my in-charge assistant. But if I was sitting in the house, tell my person, where will I get those experience from? And NAPCO came and it has shaped a lot of people, and it has given a lot of people experience, and they are now able to get job. And I can pinpoint and mention a lot of people names that I know that they had employment through NAPCO. Getting to the end of NAPCO, they saw that where they were working, those people there saw that they were up and doing, or they were able, or they were capable of working there, and they managed and had appointment for them to be maintained in schools and other places, and they are now teachers or professional teachers or professional whatever they were there.
All right.
So when you come to talk of MPP, and they were having Ghanaians at heart, but they came and used lies and deceivers. And most people, we didn't think deep, or we didn't look down, or we didn't look further, and we just see that when they came and lied to you, when they come to power, they will give you this. When they come, and we overlook what they have done, and we did those mistakes, and this is hard power.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Interesting submission from King Tech. Now, I'll read your comments, but before that, let's welcome a question. No need, please. 30 seconds question. I beg.
So with the NAPO, was there probably safe opportunity, okay, given a room for improvement, which actually the temporary payment, or it's something that the government of Ghana just decided to implement on the name of to mislead Ghanaians.
And this question is to
King. Right.
Please come again. Please come again.
I said with the NAPO, right? All this
Yes,
while
please.
hearing comments, negative comment upon comment. What's saying about out of the 100,000, in fact, some of them couldn't even receive their payment. I want to know from you as a beneficiary,
Okay.
was there an opportunity set by the government, okay, to get
Okay.
probably a room for probably how they call it to do better? They had to do a temporary payment, or it was just political agenda just to mislead the country by the previous administration. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for your question. But what I understand, you are trying to say whether it was a planting to help or. Please come. Are you saying it was? Hello.
So what
all
I'm
right.
saying is,
I'm sure he's struggling to understand your question.
okay, let me put it right here. Okay. So I want to know the role of the NAPO. Was it a temporary
Okay.
way of helping people to get a job, or it was a permanent way by the government to pay people?
Okay. I now get you.
Okay.
To me, by my understanding, it came to be temporal, and even when you read the appointment, this thing, it was something that they brought to help reduce unemployment. It was just a temporary thing they brought to help reduce unemployment, and it was that they were even having intention that when at the end of it, if you are not able to get a job, then they will renew the contract. But later, because of the payments and there were some misunderstanding from those who were even beneficiaries of it. I think that brought to the closure because it got to a point that by that time I was posted, the financial crisis came in and the payment was hard. So most of us couldn't withstand that. We were not having job. People were having masters and they were sitting in the house. In fact, one of the coordinator said that he nearly shit on himself when he was interviewing people with degree and masters and they were sitting in the house without job and they have to apply in NAPCO and they came with their masters and degrees.
Okay, thank you.
So people they made it look in a different way that people have to hit on the street that government is not paying them, and there were some.
Okay, one. Yes,
No. Please, I'll decline.
Oh, please, let him go. Let him ask if there's time.
There's no time. Please, there's no time. I beg you. Thank you. All right, now let me bring in Papa Promzi. I have to decline it. No need. Thank you. All right, Papa Promzi, let's have you.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, let's have you. Please,
Yeah,
I
good
think
evening.
that we are talking about the NPP polls. A poll from African Policy Lens, right? And they are tipping Baumia to win with 63.8%. And we are told from this organization that Baumia is leading in 14 regions. So this and other issues.
Madam, please. It is just a post, but we know that Baumia can't win this election. Even though they have skewed.
Are you ready to speak to us?
Hello?
Are you ready to speak to us?
Yeah. I said, hello? I said, yeah.
Please find a very stable place to address us. I beg you. All right. Thank you so much for just joining. This is Fact on Fact. Now, let me bring in Anamiki.
It's me. I didn't talk. So after I finish talking,